Hey guys, Katrina is here. Happy Tuesday. And my question to you is, are you ready to do whatever it takes to succeed in life? Just, are you committed enough? So as you remember, 2 weeks ago when I was in New York City, and one of my prospect clients told me, well, I do business only with people I meet in person, so if you ever in New York, come by my office and then maybe I'll work with you. So I was like, perfect, I am in New York. He's like, okay, meet me in 2 hours at such and such location. And I was there in 2 hours waiting for him, and we met maybe for 10-15 minutes, and now he became my client, and everything is just amazing, and hopefully we can even do more business with him. And something also similar happened with another client from Los Angeles. He told me that he only does business, also he's old school with people in person, so he wants to meet me personally and stuff like that. So instead of turning him away, or I could just simply hire somebody, pay somebody to go to LA and meet with him representing my business, I have decided I am going myself to Los Angeles to meet this person, just to show him how committed I am, just to show him how serious we are in our business, and just we are simply the best, while our competitors are thinking or sleeping, we are taking actions. So how committed are you in taking actions to succeed in your business? Leave a comment. Thanks, bye.
I'm through with you.